So good afternoon, everyone. This is second day of Ilakrama, and now we are with Mr. Amitansu Satpathy, Managing Director of Base Power Equipment Private Limited. Amitansu ji, can you brief us about your product and services for the UPS industries?
We are having all kind of UPSs from home to industry to data center, starting from 600 VA up to 600 kVA. So and also can parallel to 8 number to go to 5000 kVA. We have recently supplied 4 megawatt UPS to various data center and with lithium battery and SMA battery compatibility. So we have all kind of solutions.
That's great. So typically, while in the UPS industry, there are many of the companies are multinationals, and you have started into Make in India concepts, right? So what brings you to start the UPS industry into India?
We have been. I worked 7-8 years in various multinational companies. I could understand what is their approach and what is their solution in the power industry, and we have adopted the similar culture, structure, and product availability in our company. So in year 2000, as I told you, I started my career in '92, and 7-8 years I worked in various companies. And in year 2000 we started this company, and we adopt those kind of cultures. And now, in last 22 years, we are also expanded to Singapore, Malaysia, and Taipei, Indonesia. All these places we are selling UPS. So we wanted to grow from India to become a multinational.
That's great. So now we can call you as an Indian multinational company.
Yeah. Yes, we are an Indian multinational company, and we have seen with in the if you go to outside, there is always a very big gap in the market. Either there is only price sensitive and local based Chinese products, or multinational companies at a top end. So there is a what we understand there is a big gap in the middle segment. We wanted to focus on those kind of segment, and we still get good amount of profit, and we are getting good amount of acceptability in those market. We have just got a modular data center as well as modular UPS in one of the leading fintech company in Singapore, around $80,000, and even Singapore Airline, Maldives Airport, and lot of medical centers and lot of universities at Malaysia are using our UPS. So that gives us very good confidence that we can do well in multinational market also.
Absolutely right. So typically, it gives us the customers when accept the our product or the solution that give us the more boost towards the starting new innovation or the new ventures into the different part of the countries or the different product innovations into market. So starting from the 2000, the electronic industry has changed a bit, right? And nowadays it is changing drastically. So what kind of innovations and research you are focusing?
We are very close to the customer, and we give all kind of solutions, not like multinational company. They wanted to just dump the product which they are already doing in different country, not specific manufacturing for the UPS requirement or power requirement to Indian industry. Like lot of products, lot of places they need isolation transformer inbuilt. Sometimes the neutral is missing, still the UPS should work. So so many problem or erratic conditions which Indian power conditions have. Those kind of product were developed, so that is the reason why our product is acceptable in domestic market. And the same concept we wanted to do in developing as well as underdeveloped country. We have a slogan: if the UPS, any successful company in India, if it is working in India, it will work everywhere.
Absolutely. So there is an saying for the Indians as well. So Indian can work anywhere.
Yeah. So our our UPSs are very rugged, and it gives a lot of problem. It's been taken care of, and the quality is very high. So it can take care of all kind of conditions.
Okay, that's fantastic. So coming to the part of the industry, like wherein the entire industry is now changing towards the modular UPS and the storage system, right? So what are your products and solutions offering into this space?
We are have modular UPSs starting from 6 kVA modules to 50 kVA module, and these can be converted into let's say 50 kVA 20 number combined together to make it 1000 kVA. So, and we have recently supplied 4 megawatt UPS, where 1000 kVA's multiple numbers have been deployed in various data centers. And we are only one company who are giving a hand-to-hand competition with multinational company in commercial as well as technology. And we have also solution with lithium battery, where our UPS can compatible with lithium battery solutions. We have tied up with Vision, LG, and we are giving all kind of solutions as far as energy storage is concerned, as well as modular UPS is concerned. We are also giving very good solution in energy storage, start from 5 kilowatt to 500 kilowatt. Some
That's
of the products are also displayed here, where we were trying to address to home segment as well as industry segment.
That's fantastic. So typically, as you said, the battery storage is basically now a demanding into power generation as well, because we have certain limitations. And our honorable minister has also launched campaign One World, One Grid, One Solar, right? So that will be needing a huge battery storage solutions, and definitely the without storage, the power cannot be sustained for the longer run of time. So what are the challenges you are facing? Because the average, the due to COVID, after COVID, there is a scenario wherein the semiconductor industry is facing majority challenges, and all the industries who are using the semiconductor was also having many of the difficulties. So how have you came across through this situation?
We are doing meticulous planning. We are giving projections, and according to that, we are creating our stock level, and we are not in a big issues about the semiconductor except some pricing issue. So we are also buying from the spot market. So we have to manage with the problems, but I think another 3 months it will be okay. It will be normalized.
That's fantastic. So you have taken care of the sourcing part and the planning part on the better management, wherein the majority of companies has failed and they don't have the material available whenever it is needed. So coming to the part of the industrial revolution, wherein everyone is talking about industry 4.0 or IoT, what the future product development we are looking for?
Well, our all the UPSs are having now IoT enabled. So you can we have our mobile app where you can download that mobile app, and you can get all the voltage, current, everything. Even you can control the UPSs. So that these solutions we have already given to a lot of companies, a lot of industries, and so our product is at par with industry requirement or industry 4.0 requirement. So we have products with having 96.8 efficiency, 96.8% efficiency, and we have been creating lot of redundancy in build. So these our products are very widely accepted in industry nowadays.
So coming to the part of the overall the services, right? Because UPS is also being majorly a service-based industry, wherein the people need the services at a time. So what is our strength into services or the products?
We have around 500 plus engineers in all across country, and we grow with the service only because we get lot of repeat customers, and our service is a key area. And even if all the selling is happening through distributor dealer, but service has been taken care of by our own team.
That's great. So typically the 500 plus engineers is a very huge in count, and definitely with the huge installations, it will be needed. And critical applications, as you said, you are a pioneer into hospitals, data center, which is much more critical applications, and then it has to be solved immediately. Otherwise, the people may have to lose lives.
Yeah, we are in COVID time also. We have done very good and supplying UPSs to a lot of large hospitals. Overnight, we have given lot of solutions. Our people worked day and night to manufacture the UPSs according to the various hospital requirement. So this is what has really proved a lot.
So now being in the multinational, you are already Indian multinational, right? What are your future plans to develop into this product or the expansion?
We are into getting into more and more IT and ITS market, and where we will be definitely having a one direct team so that they can address to many customers where the CIOs to be converted into our product line. So this is what is our plan, and in next few years we will be definitely focusing those markets, and our target is to our revenue to multi next 3 4 years.
So that's great. So they are targeting the revenue by the multifolds into next 3 4 years. So typically speaking, on the Elecrama, this is the second day at the Elecrama. How was your feedback into the event or the response from the visitors over here?
It's good, like it's mixed, and we have to talk to a lot of customer and give a awareness to the customer. This that will be not a direct inquiries or something like that, but we are looking at it's a good awareness program, and we are thinking that it will give us a lot of long-term benefit.
Absolutely. So, thank you very much, sir, for your insights and the facts for the industry. And I think the Indian multinational, like, you will reach to the next level of the industry, even much more ahead than you think of, because the strength, what we see in you, is tremendous, and definitely you can lead the entire industry in the nearer future. So, thank you very much.